Okay.
Because it would have been very easy for me, quite frankly, at the beginning, just to circumvent this whole thing and just deny your motion.
Okay.
I have given leeway to council to present everything in the world to me. If I misspoke and granted certain parts of it, then fine. I'll stick with what I said.
Great. I feel confident, but I'll order the transcript and then we'll know.
Do what you got to do.
Thank you, Judge. In terms of the probable cause conference, I've spoken to Ms. Blanche. We would like to put it over for 3 weeks, and that will be the last time.
To the 5th or the 12th? Because the probable cause conferences are on Thursdays. I just happen to be on Tuesdays.
Okay, you said the 5th or the 12th?
Vacation. God, I'm hoping I get to it today.
I think